Hey guys, this is my little guy Paco. Say hi, Paco. Paco is a rescue from Colombia. We rescued him from a puppy mill. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a tour of the Eaton Center here associated with the Sheraton Hotel here. And the Eaton Center was founded in 1977. There's over 235 stores. It's not the biggest shopping mall in the world. It's still pretty big. And the reason for the name Eaton is you may or may not remember the chain of Eaton stores, which went pretty strong up until the 90s, and then they went out of business. And Timothy Eaton was the founder. Gosh, this guy is so cute. Hey. So Paco is 10, and we love him very much, right? He's a crowd favorite here at the hotel. So I'm gonna get this tour on the road, and stay tuned. Yo, I'm back. This is my tour for you guys of the Eaton Center. And as I mentioned in the previous video, the Eaton Center is one of the larger malls, not the largest, but one of the larger malls in Toronto, Canada, located right downtown with 235 stores. I know it's not thousands of stores like some shopping malls, but still pretty big. And anyways, I want to do this video tour for you guys. I'm not going to hit all the floors, but I'll hit the main floors. Most importantly, show you some of the best stores in this place. And so let's get it on. Now this is the main floor, which has the food court, some stores that aren't that fantastic. But there's a little waterfall, it's kind of cool, which I'll show you. And if you like these walking tour videos, please subscribe. And most importantly, when you subscribe, put subscribe in the comments, and that way I can make a note of your name, and we'll look at doing draws for some cool prizes. And I'm thinking to do those prizes based on certain milestones, like 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, etc. American Eagle, I shop there for my holy jeans. Starbucks, of course. Love. So I live in Ottawa, and I'm here in Toronto for work, and I'll do some tours of the malls in Ottawa. And they're not epic by any means, but oh, here's the waterfall. It's okay. If you've never been to Rome, you have to go to the famous waterfall there. For the life of me, I cannot remember the name of it, but it is so awesome. I'll be doing a walking tour in June when I go to Venice and Milan. So stay tuned for that one. Oh, I get to always smell like the popcorn in this section. And most importantly, my favorite are those like little cinnamon buns. Hope you guys like the sound quality of my newest videos. I bought a really cool lapel mic, and it is a great buy. So wireless, I don't have to download any software. I'll show you guys in another video, or just leave a comment if you're curious as to what I got. And if you haven't checked out the video I did at the nightclub or the vodka bar, Brash and Sassy, you'll get an idea on the audio quality of the owner, Jasmine, and she was wearing this lapel mic, and the DJ was spinning. The music was pretty loud in the background, but her voice came out so clear. And especially when we walked into this giant cooler that they have with their vodkas, and they've got a fan blowing, but you can hear her voice like quite clearly. It's very impressive. R&W, shop there sometimes. But one of my favorite stores is, bam, the Apple Store. So in case you guys are wondering, I've done all my videos so far on an 11 Pro, which records in 4K and 60 frames per second, I think that is. But I'm going to up my game and get the 13 Pro. I'm not going to get the Pro Max. The Max is just too big. And if ever any of you are thinking of creating a YouTube channel, like seriously, all you need is your phone. If you have a good phone, you're going to get amazing quality. Nordstrom's down the other end. Love it. So I'll take you guys up on that other level once I turn around. But I want to show you this floor first. Hendrick's Restaurant. For those of you who've never been to Toronto, there's so many beautiful women here, especially if you like ethnic mixes. Oh my God. You have a population of East Indian, Asian, Middle Eastern, African, Caribbean, Caucasian. I would go so far as to say that, and I've lived in Canada my whole life, but I would go so far as to say that Toronto has the most ethnic diversity of all the cities. Auto store. My favorite stores is, well, two kind of favorite stores up on the next level, Nordstrom being one of them. And the next one I'll show you in a minute. Okay. Make decisions. Okay. Zara. That's my next favorite. Okay. So hopefully the security guy doesn't say, "Hey man, you can't film in here." I'll just sneak by him like a ninja. I don't know what you guys think though, but I find the stuff at Zara has kind of lost its luster. Like, I don't know. It's kind of becoming like a Le Chateau now, in my opinion. Ooh, Hugo Boss. Love. Boss store. Club Monaco, always a crowd favorite. Moose Knuckles, some cool stuff in there. They have really dope jackets. Nice watch store. Just gonna stop here for a second, give you a view of this. It's a pretty cool mall. I'm gonna take you around this side. Okay, I got the first person to wave. So I got these t-shirts to promote my channel. It's got like Cane-tastic blasted all over the front and back. And usually I get quite a bit of engagement of people like asking what I'm about and how much money I've made. How famous I am. It's all good. Gotta start somewhere, right? I'll show you another angle of this place. You know, the ceiling is missing what they have in Vegas on Fremont Street, if you haven't seen my video about that, where there's like all these lights and stuff on the ceiling, and that's what this mall needs. Exactly like they have at the old strip in Vegas. Oh, this is such a favorite store of mine. I like those. I just love the shoes in here. I also love the women's shoes. But I try not to hang out at the women's section. They'd be like, what's this guy doing? Spend an hour in the women's section. Ted Baker. Harry Rosen. Why they put the Harry Rosen at the back of the mall, the back of the bus, I don't know. But, oh, Canada Goose store. Actually, I didn't know they had a store in here. Okay. Let's go check out this Harry Rosen. I don't know what your experience has been going into Harry Rosen, but I find the people are usually like kind of pretentious. The store workers, that is, not the people going in. Just for fun, sometimes I go in with like my ripped jeans, sneakers. I mean, I can buy the stuff in there, it's no problem. But then I go in with ripped jeans and sneakers and like nobody comes up to me. They're like, this guy can't afford it. All right, guys, there you have it. So that's a tour of the Eaton Centre, downtown Toronto. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. And I'll be doing a lot more of these walking tours for you. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.